All right, let's take a look at my everyday carry. This is what I carry every day. This is my Glock 43X MOS version, which comes optic ready. The holster that I'm using is from We the People. So let's basically take a look inside and to see the attachment, the stuff that I've added to this weapon itself. Before we do that, let's clear the weapon, remove the magazine, physically check, there is no round in the chamber is empty, send slide forward. So basically I am rocking the TRL 7X sub Holosun Red Dot EPS carry. This is the enclosed version, glass back and front, red dot. Let's see if we could see the dot right there. Yes. These are the only changes that I've made to this weapon itself. Very nice. Very nice. That's it. Put it back inside the holster. This holster is very, very neat. This is all.